For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on the Space Shuttle. We're going to concentrate on the flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the Space Shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this episode of Spacecraft Guide, we are going to continue our work on the Space Shuttle. And specifically, we're going to go back into the primary flight display and work on another error needle, which is the rudder error needle. Now, this needle, when you click on it, will take you to the rudder error needle page. And it is going to be this magenta colored needle on each ADI that displays the vehicle attitude error, and this one is specifically the rudder error. The rudder error needle extends in front of the ADI ball, just like all the others, and similar to rate pointers, the rudder error needle located at the bottom has an arc-shaped background scale, also magenta here, with graduated marks that allow the flight crew to read the magnitude of the yaw error. These errors are displayed with respect to the body axis coordinate system and thus independent of the selected reference frame of the ADI. So it's not referencing this, it's referencing what the computer tells it to do to get onto the correct path. This is showing your actual what the spacecraft is doing. This needle is telling you what you have to turn left or right to get the spacecraft into the correct position. Now, just want to go a little bit into the rudder and describe what yaw is. So yaw is the turning around the left-right axis. So this is the plane that the rudder error needle is going to be working with. Left and right will be telling you to turn on this plane. So that's what we're talking about when we're speaking of yaw. And this is not like an airplane where we bank it. This is we actually turn the spacecraft, and we do that in orbit with thrusters mostly. Then once we get back into the atmosphere, this plane goes back to the roll axis to go left or right. But today we're talking about this plane, this axis right here. Now, for our Patreon subscribers, we are going to go into schematics, and this is also for our free Patreon subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Just sign up for free and you can go into the schematics with me right now. So when we click on schematics,